Hello everyone, today I am going to test the Portronics Twin Cool dual head portable USB powered fan. This compact fan comes with 2 fan heads, 3 speed control, 360-degree rotatable heads and ultra silent brushless motors. It can be used at home, on a desk or in the car where it can provide a comfortable airflow while traveling.
It is so hot today. This dual fan is a lifesaver.
Let's see what we get inside the box and how well this dual fan performs. Here is the box of the Portronics Twin Cool dual head fan, which is designed for use in the cars, SUVs, buses, desks and at home. Highlighted features are fan speed up to 4000 RPM, 2 adhesive tape, ABS plus PP material, USB powered fan, rotatable heads, 3 fan speed, 3 fan blade for uniform airflow and of course brushless motor. 360-degree rotatable fan heads allowing you to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. This side of the box bag, the product description and the MRP is written, which is 2000 rupees around, but got the product only at 1000 rupees approximately. Now let's open the box and see what Portronics provides. First, we have the car attachment adhesive tape and user manual, warranty card of 1 year, and finally we have dual head fan unit. The fan has 2 separate fan heads mounted on a common base. In the user manual, it is written each fan draws 5 volt 2 ampere current. Register warranty of 1 year by scanning this QR code. 2 adhesive tape for car attachment. These are the place where the 2 adhesive tapes are attached. Another convenient feature is this long built-in USB cable. Simply connect it to a suitable USB power source such as a car USB port, adapter or power bank. Now let's check the flexibility of the 2 fan heads. Both fan faces can be rotated in different directions, so you can direct the airflow exactly where you want it. And the best part is that both fan heads can be adjusted independently. So one fan can be directed towards the driver while the other can be directed towards the passenger. Here you can see the Portronics branding on the base of the fan. Another useful feature is the independent switch for each fan. So you can operate either one fan or both fans according to your requirement. Now let's switch on the fan by heavy duty power bank and check its performance. Let's switch on the right hand fan first. The fan offers 3 different speed levels. At the first speed, the airflow is gentle and comfortable. Second speed mode has been activated. Third speed mode activated. Now let's see just how powerful this little fan really is with a simple paper strip test. At speed 1, the paper strips gently vibrate. At speed 2, the movement gets stronger. And at speed 3, look at that, the strips vibrate much more vigorously, showing the increase in airflow. At maximum speed, both fans provide a stronger airflow and the dual head design allows the air to cover a wider area. Another important point is the brushless motor. The brushless motor is designed for efficient and reliable operation, while the fan is also promoted for ultra silent performance. Now let's look at the backside of the fans, where the specifications are mentioned. Each fan is rated at 5 volt 2 ampere, which means its maximum power consumption is 10 watt. Since there are two fans, the total rated power consumption is 20 watt. Overall, if you are looking for a compact dual-head USB fan for your car or desk, the Portronics Twin Cool is definitely worth considering.